Over 128,000 species have been discovered in the ocean, and this is only 10% estimated of what's actually out there. It's estimated that hundreds of thousands and even as much as 10 million undiscovered species may exist in the oceans. The ocean is so important to all life on Earth. Ocean phytoplankton are responsible for 70% of the Earth's oxygen, although phytoplankton have declined 40% since 1950 due to warming. Like and share to help. Subscribe for free.